If CapCut Pro effects are not showing on your screen, don't worry because this usually comes down to just a few simple issues that you can fix in minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to troubleshoot the problem so you can get your Pro effects working again. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut fixes and editing tips. First, the most important thing to check is your subscription and your account. Make sure you are logged into the exact same account that actually has the active CapCut Pro subscription. A lot of people accidentally sign into a different account and then wonder why premium effects are missing. So, open CapCut, go to your profile or account settings, and confirm that the account you're using is the one linked to your Pro plan. If you have multiple logins, try signing out and back in, carefully using the correct account details. Once you're sure you're on the right account, go back and check whether the Pro effects are showing properly. Next, check your internet connection. CapCut effects and templates often rely on cloud loading, so if your connection is unstable, the effects may not appear at all. Try turning your Wi-Fi off and back on, or switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data and then back again. If that still doesn't help, restart your connection completely and reopen the app. In some cases, regional restrictions can also interfere with loading Pro content, so you can test using a VPN to see if that makes the effects appear. The goal here is to make sure CapCut can properly connect to its online services and load the content from the cloud. Now let's move on to the timeline placement, because this is another very common reason effects seem to be missing. Effects will not show if no clip is actively selected, so make sure you've actually tapped the clip or positioned the playhead directly over the effect in the timeline. Also, check that the effect is placed on the layer above your main video track. If the effect is sitting in the wrong position, or if the playhead is not aligned with it, it may look like nothing is happening. Move the playhead over the exact section where the effect is applied and confirm that the effect sits on top of the main clip in the correct layer. Then preview the video again to see if it appears. If you've checked your subscription, refreshed your internet, and confirmed the timeline placement, but the effects are still not showing, close CapCut completely and reopen it. Sometimes the app just needs a quick refresh to recognize your account or reload the effect library. You can also try logging out and back in once more, especially if your Pro status was just renewed or recently activated. So to recap, verify you're signed into the correct Pro account, make sure your internet connection is stable, and confirm the effect is placed properly on the timeline with the playhead over the clip. Those 3 steps solve most CapCut Pro effects not showing issues. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.